Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be going through my junk drawer. Let's try to get this organized. This is horrible. Let me move that because everything has my names on it and crap. But yeah, this drawer is thick. She's a thick one. A very thick one. Complete with a taser. Cool, right? My cat, apparently, while I'm doing this, is going to be reorganizing my cupboards over there. Let's see what he is doing. What are you doing? Yep. So we are preparing for this move. I want to be prepared. I gotta pick this up. I brought it over here, then I dropped the tripod, and then I just didn't pick it up because I'm gonna have to pick it up anyway, right? Alright, guys. So let's see what I'm gonna do with all this crap, okay? Hopefully we can make it nice. Just have the very bare minimum in there for when we do leave. All I have to do is come over here, grab a box, and throw everything in it. Alright. They fit perfect.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Okay guys, so this is what I got so far. So this one right here is just some paperwork that I'm gonna keep in the drawer. This is for laundry. It's supposed to collect cat hair or pet hair. I have a teaser. This is for my cats. These are just outlets and a charger. I only have one battery or one light bulb. I don't know why. I don't even know if it works. Oh, I have 2 light bulbs. Let me switch these around. This can go with that. Look at that. Look at me organizing, huh? So just simple stuff. I don't know where the back of this is. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. I have a lighter in there just in case, because sometimes you need like candles lit or something. Another battery charger in here. I'm actually probably not going to keep this. I'm going to see if my kid wants it. If not, I'll put it somewhere else, but I just took the batteries, put them in one bag. Some screws that I don't know where they go to. It's kind of concerning. I don't know what this goes to. Kind of concerning. A back of a remote I'll eventually find. If not, I'm going to throw it away. I have a flashlight. This one goes to my Cricut, so I'm going to have to put that with that sometime. This one right here is just going to be some, like if I want to order food, it just says what it is. Some extra scissors. I actually hide scissors everywhere. My kids actually never come into this drawer, so that's going to be good. Some E6000, which most likely will come out. Some locks. This was on my storage unit, so I have to figure out where the other lock is, where the lock for that is. And then I have that one. Again, I have a teaser, and I think that's it. Just this one right here was just notes from when I first started my job, and it just like is some like cheats and stuff that tell you like state flu shots, how to like do them, how to put them in and stuff. Apparently some weird notes. I don't know. I'll have to go through that at another time. But for right now, it is organized. I don't have all those like little slots, but I'm organizing for free, and everything does have a home. It's not overwhelming, so I think it looks pretty good, especially for my 4 little bins that are free. Yay! Alright guys, so go ahead and like this video. Definitely subscribe, because I have like tons of ideas and, you know, tons of organization and going through everything that I have to get ready for my move. And I hope that you stay on this journey with me. Also, you know, go ahead and comment down below, like, have you ever used anything? I know that, well, use anything so that way you can organize your junk drawer, because I seen like Do It on a Dime and all these other people, they go to the Dollar Tree, but I'm not trying to spend any money right now, so I'm using what I got, and then that is it. I mean, if I want to get fancy with it, I'll make these like look a little bit cuter one day. Right now is not the day, because I got like 4 weeks until I move. So alright guys, I will see you guys later. I still haven't picked it up here. There we go. Looks better now, right? Alright, guys. Have a good day. Bye.